children, this is your Essay 1 revision pattern 1 question paper. So subject English. A part, tick the best option to answer these questions. We have to tick the options according to that questions. So first one, why did the grandmother never go to school? Why she didn't go to school, grandmother? Option A, she did not like to study. Option B, education was not considered important for girls then. So answer is option B. That time education was not considered important for girls. That's why grandmother never go to school. Second one, excited. Excited means very jealous or very happy. We are so excited. It means very happy. Third one, the beetles were not going to ask the bees anything because beetles didn't go to ask bees. Why? Because they did not like the bees. B, they were not interested in gathering nectar. So answer, they were not interested in gathering nectar. Fourth one, in the beginning of the story, the king and his advisor. What they done? King and advisor in the beginning of the story. We have to answer it. What they were doing? They were doing discussing matters of importance or were eating puffed rice with honey. Yes, they were eating puffed rice with honey. Option B is correct answer. Move on to the fifth one. The king watched the sequence of action on the street. The king watched sequence of action on the street. How he was watching on the street? With growing interest ಇಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ನ or without any concern. ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅವನು? That without any concern. Move on to the B part, children. Name the people who do these jobs. We have to here, according to sentence, we have to write down the title. First one who teaches student. So students ಗೆ teach ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರು? That is teacher. One who treats patients. Patients ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? That is doctor. One who decide cases in court. ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋರು. That is judge. One who flies a plane. Who flies a plane? Pilot. One who catches thieves. Thieves anna hidiyoru. That is policeman. Okay. Choose the right option from the brackets. So first one, I forgot my pen. May I borrow? You, yours are there. Yes. May I borrow yours? I offered him my tiffin. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಟಿಫಿನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. He offered his or mine? His. Third one, I am used to playing with this bat. ನಾನು ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. It's mine or mine? Yes, it's mine. That or those is a beautiful illustration. That is a beautiful illustration or those is a beautiful illustration? The answer is that. Here, these are the picture books or these are the picture books? So answer, these are the picture books I was talking about. So D part, complete these sentences with a, an or the. Okay, and we used the vowel sounds, a singular words, and the we have to add in a particular thing. So here, dash apple dash day keeps dash doctor away. So apple, we have to add here vowel sound. So an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Second one, dash man. The man, particular thing. So the man standing over there is uncle. So U sounds a vowel sound. We are going to add here an uncle of mine. Okay. Again here unidentified bag was found in the metro. Fourth one, it is good to have umbrella. So an umbrella when it rains. Okay. Next, friend. Friend is singular. So a friend in need is a friend indeed. Next, add a suffix to the following words. So suffixes words are full, less, able, all. So harm suits for which suffix? That is harmful. Shame, add for the suffix, that is shameless. Shameless. Nation, that is national. Fashion, that is suffix we have to add proper, that is fashionable. Color, that is colorful. Next, F part, add prefixes to the following words. Prefix means words before we have to add. Example, un, in, dis, miss, im. Okay. So first one is possible. The prefix we have to add impossible. Believable. So which prefix we have to add? That is unbelievable. Understood. Yes. Misunderstood. The proper we have to going to add. Connected. Disconnected. So when you are going to add, no, you have to read. Okay, for example, likes, unlike, inlike, dislike, mislike, imlike. Which one will be correct prefixes? That is dislikes. Like this we have to add the proper prefixes. So next, G part, circle the helping verbs and underline the main verbs in the following sentences. We have to underline the helping verb and main verb we have to circle. Riya was sitting close to Sanchita. So was is helping verb, we have to circle. Sitting, that is a main verb, action word, we have to underline. Karan has eaten his dinner. Here has is a helping verb, eat is a main verb. The monkey is playing under the tree. Is helping verb, playing is underlined. We have washed the dirty clothes. Have is helping verb and washed is main verb. He did not drink the pineapple juice. Did is helping verb and drink is a main verb. So move on to the filling the blanks using the past or present continuous tense. Depend upon that sentences. If there are the past form, we have to write down past tense. If they are present continuous, we move on to the present continuous tense. So first one, They dash coffee when the waiter came with their food. So here is a drink. So came is a past tense. So we have to write down past form, past continuous, were drinking. He dashed to travel this summer to know more about Indian culture. So, know more about Indian culture. Know is a present tense, right? Plan. So, we have to present continuous. Helping verb is and plan. Planning. Ing form in continuous tense, right? Yes. Move on to the third one. Look how mean Veda dashed to the beggar. So here be is here, right? So this is present tense. So look how mean Veda is to the beggar. I am not well. I dash off visiting a doctor. So here think. So I am thinking. Continuous tense. Thinking. She dashed in the park when I ran to her. When I ran is a past tense. So we have to take was and jog, verb jogging. So this is all present and past continuous forms. Move on to the match the columns to complete sentences here. So Dr. Abdul Kalam was a D part, that is scientist and India's 11th president. And his full name was, yes, that is Awul Fakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He graduated in 1954. Then in 1969, he joined the Indian Space Research Organization. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai had a great influence on Dr. Kalam. So move on to the answer these questions. What did the grandmother want to learn? Grandmother ಏನು learn ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? So answer, the grandmother wanted to learn the Kannada alphabets. Kannada alphabets ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Next question, why will Dr. Abdul Kalam be remembered as the Missile Man of India? ಅವರು Missile Man of India ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೆಯಲ್ಪಟ್ರು? So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was ಏನಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅ ಪಯೋನಿಯರ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಎದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಮಿಸೈಲನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವೆಪನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ he remembered as the Missile Man of India. Third one, where did the bark beetles first settle? What did they feed on? First bark beetle ಎಲ್ಲಿ settle ಆದವು? So that's one we have to answer it. So the bark beetles first settled in an open area. ಓಪನ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆದರು a green clearing forest. Clearing forest. They fed, ಅವು ಏನು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ they fed on the grass. ಗ್ರಾಸನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ವು before that. Okay, next, where and when was Helen Keller born? Helen Keller ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದ್ರು? So Helen Keller was born in Alabama in 1880. Next, what advice the big kite give? Big kite ಏನಂತ advise ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? So the big kite advised to the little kite, what it advised? To try to fly high. ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೈ ಅಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರೋಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.